Welcome to Grace F Clinic. This is Thanksgiving weekend 2020, and we wanted to update you on our outpatient coronavirus treatment because, as you know, in Colorado, the cases have been surging among adults and children. So we wanted to tell you what's happening here.
On this November 28, we are well into the second wave of coronavirus infection. We've now tested about 720 people at Grace Health Clinic, and 225 people have tested positive. Out of those 225, we've had the opportunity to treat about half of them. In this second wave, we've noticed the severity of the patients have actually increased. We've had more patients with respiratory symptoms requiring oxygen on arrival to the clinic. 3 of them had oxygen saturation between 68 and 75. On arrival to the clinic, we immediately offered them oxygen treatment. You can see here, this is a tank that we connect directly to the patient and allow them to breathe with oxygen. Those patients are monitored in the clinic for a few hours, and when they are improved after receiving the treatment, they're sent home on oxygen with a concentrator that they can plug to the wall at home, and that function with electricity. Some of the patients have been placed on a nebulizer, which is the small device over there. They don't receive oxygen, but they receive that nebulizer treatment. And as they improve in the clinic, we continue to monitor them and observe their oxygen saturation. Some of those patients who are infected and are placed on oxygen are sent home with this device, which is a pulse oximetry device that allows them to monitor their oxygen at home.
So as more patients are sick, children are also sick. We've noticed that among children, the group age that suffers the most is the toddlers. And we've so far had a 3-month-old, a 4-month-old, an 11-month-old, and 2 20-month-old with coronavirus positive. The symptoms to pay attention to are tachycardia. The parents always say that their chest is pounding really hard. They have high fever, and they have lethargy, meaning they don't want to eat, they don't want to drink, they're just laying there. And we've noticed that the combination of treatment that we provide for adults works very well for those children, and within 24 hours, they recover 100%. And 2 weeks after they are positive and we test them back, the coronavirus test is negative. So we would just encourage parents who feel that they have coronavirus symptoms to take their children with them to get tested, because we could miss some of the ages that coronavirus affects. Thank you for watching Grace F Clinic outpatient treatment of coronavirus, and we will update you as we get more information.